everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out a new product that I haven't tried before. I've seen how many videos, probably like 2 or 3, where people try this product out in their video, and I really liked it, so I decided to do my own version of it because I'm really curious to see what the product is like. Today I'm going to be trying the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint, which looks like this. You've probably seen this all over social media because so many people have been raving about this. At least the ones that I follow have been raving about it, so I'm really excited. I got mine in dark brown because I feel like warm brown or light brown shades for brows usually look really like red toned, and I don't like that. I like it cool toned. So from the swatches that I've seen online and just people's reviews, I think dark brown will be the best. But again, I haven't a clue. So I'm going to be trying this out. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see. Okay, so it comes in this like little bottle. It basically looks like eyebrow gel. And it says that, like, it shows a before and after, and it says that it lasts up to 3 days. So you basically have to apply it in desired brow shape, let dry for at least 20 minutes, and then peel off. Very straightforward. Let's see if it's actually going to be as easy as it sounds. So I'm going to have a look at the brush. Ooh, okay. The brush is just like pointy, so it's not angled or anything. It's not like an eyebrow brush. Oh, I have a feeling this might be hard to apply with that. Some people that I've seen that talked about this said that they used a normal eyebrow brush. So I feel like I might do this. Let's go. So I'm going to zoom you in. Excuse my makeup. I've just got back from college after a long day. So I decided to film. So let's go. So I'm going to zoom you in this much. I know it's a lot, so don't judge. I'm going to get my mirror, and I feel like I'm going to use my angled brush just because I'm afraid that it'll go all over the place, and it's like a tint, so I don't want it to basically dry on my eyes and look terrible. So I'm going to get a wipe, and I'm just going to wipe off the makeup that I have on my brows right now. Okay, so I'm back now looking a little bit red and crazy, but I'm basically going to take this brush out and clean anything that's on it, and I'm just going to pop it down on the side because I won't be using it. Then I'm going to grab my Benefit eyebrow angled brush, and I'm just going to make sure that it's clean. I'm actually quite scared to do this just because it's a tint, so if it dries in the wrong place. Okay, so I'm basically going to start drawing my eyebrow. I feel like I'm going to get the shape of it first, and then I'm going to start filling it in. I might fill them in with the actual brush that it comes with, just to see what it's like. So I kind of have the shape of my brow. Now I'm going to get the actual brush. Oh my god. It feels so wrong to like just smother loads of product on my brows. I also don't know how thick or thin this is supposed to be, so bear with me. I'm really scared to do the inner corners. So the product is easy to use. It dries on the brush a little bit fast, so you have to keep dipping the brush in to get like more product. I'm filming this on a Friday just in case, because if this goes wrong, at least I have a day off tomorrow and I don't have to show my face to anybody, like any strangers. It's just my family. So I'm going to leave it at that because I don't want to keep like adding more product to it. But I'm basically going to wait 20 minutes now, and then I'll be back once time is up. So I'm back now after 20 minutes, and I'm going to attempt to peel this off. Oh. So you're left with literally like dried plastic kind of thing. And it doesn't hurt. I thought it would hurt like pulling it back, but it doesn't. So that's a plus. It's so cool that it just comes up. Very satisfying. I'm going to use a spoolie, and I'm just going to brush the brows out, and this will help the like residue of the product to come off. That's so much easier than doing it with your fingers. I'm really surprised that that worked. I know I watched videos of people doing it, but I didn't actually expect it to work on me. I'm just putting a little bit of like what's left on my sponge of concealer around my eyebrow, just so it's not that red. Okay, so this is what my brows look like, and I'm actually super like impressed with this product, because right now my brows look almost like they did at the beginning of video, and I don't have anything in them, just that tint. I feel like the shade is correct, even though it might be a little bit dark. I like my brows to be dark, and they're a little bit red around the brow right now because I was like going in with the spoolie, and that was kind of a little bit sore. But I feel like when the redness goes down, it won't be as dramatic, and of course it's going to fade out throughout the days. But I feel like next time I might be able to do a little bit more precise, because there is some little like gaps that don't have any product in them. And yeah, I found it to be like really easy to apply. As I said, if you're struggling to like do your shape, use a angled brush first and then fill it in, because that helped me a lot. But yeah, I'm really impressed, and I really like it. So if you're looking for a tint for your brows, definitely check that one out, because it works and it's really fun just to like peel your eyebrows off afterwards. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I could definitely go out like this. And as I said, second time when I'm going to be using it, because I definitely will use it again, I'm going to try and make it a little bit more precise. And yeah, I feel like I'll be happy with it even more when I do that. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you have used the same product and if you liked it, so give it a thumbs up to let me know. And let me know in the comments below what videos you would like to see from me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!